Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. Welcome to Cat Coaster Part 2. We start with a cat ear. Place your hook everywhere you want. Add your other yarn like this and chain one and just make a single crochet like this in the same stitch. Next stitch a half double crochet like this. And next stitch 2 double crochet in the same stitch like this. Next stitch 2 treble crochet in the same stitch like this. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and chain 1, and again 2 treble crochet in the same stitch like this. This is so easy. And next stitch we should make 2 double crochet, as you can see. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, one more in the same stitch. Next stitch a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Next stitch a slip stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. This is our one ear. And just tie the yarn like this and cut it with your scissor and just tie it. Here we should add our black yarn, insert your hook and just chain 1 and a single crochet like this, and next stitch single crochet. We should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet, as you can see. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And in the end of ear, we should make here a slip stitch. We should make 10 slip stitch like this in each stitch. Next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Like this, make 10 stitch slip stitch like this. After 10 slip stitch, just tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor and tie it. And we should start our next ear. Insert your hook here in the next stitch and add your another yarn and just chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch half double crochet. You should do same pattern that we made in our first ear, and just add your black yarn and chain 1 and next stitch a single crochet. Each stitch just 1 single crochet, as you can see. This is so easy. And here insert our hook in our hole and just make a single crochet, and in the end a slip stitch like this, and just tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor. We made our ears. You can just finish your work or make a tail like this. Insert your hook somewhere like here, add your yarn and just chain 1. I make about 30 chains like this. After 30 chain, we should skip 1 stitch and start from second stitch from hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in the second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Again in the same stitch, another half double crochet. Again, we should make 3 half double crochet in the same stitch. And next stitch, just 1 half double crochet. And after that we should make a single crochet in each stitch like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Till the end, we should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet. In the end of our chains, we should make in next stitch just 1 slip stitch like this and tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor. And we should place our hook here, insert your hook here, and insert your black yarn and just chain 1, and in next stitch like this, just 1 single crochet. Insert your hook in the hole here, you can see it, and just make single crochet in the holes and just make a single crochet. Again, insert your hook in the next hole and make a single crochet. Here in next stitch we should make a single crochet. In next stitch another single crochet. In next stitch 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Again, next stitch 2 single crochet in the same stitch. And after that, in next stitches we should make just 1 single crochet in each stitch till the end. And in the end we should make a slip knot. In next stitch just make a slip knot like this, and in the next stitch again a slip knot, and just tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, ask me in comment. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.